Well, good morning, and welcome back to the noisy show. I know, there's mowers. Those are nice pillows, huh? What do you think, PJ? Take them? Take them? Let's leave them in this tote. I know there's a chair up there, too. Should we grab the chair while we're halfway there? Yeah, why don't we? It's bustling in here today. That would have been a nice chest if it wasn't broken. All right, we got our chair. Hey, thank everybody that left a comment for Kev. He messaged me, he's like, everybody keeps talking about pond bonds. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's awesome. So we're gonna get out and about today, see what kind of junks we can find. Mondays are normally pretty good for us, so hopefully we smash it. Onward. Making me a walk today. Gotta come all the way back here. I came all the way back here because there's good stuff over yonder. I was trying to split the difference. These are likely steel. That's that pile over there that we're gonna go to. Let's double check these real quick. Yeah, I didn't think they were aluminum. I don't know if they put the baking powder on there to save the pan, or that's part of the concoction they were brewing up. Ooh, there's another good looking pile over there. Yes! Love me some Monday. See this, folks? This is a fan. We're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff, so take a moment to smash the like button. Pow! Because that's what we do when we find our first fan of the day. Hashtag fan of a fan. Let's go down there. Looks a little garbagey. A lot garbagey. You metal. Ferocious doggies. Come on through. All right. Yeah, this is all closed and such. Yeah, there's a yeah, I'm gonna pass on this one. Onward. I know, I left that mirror behind. I'm probably gonna go back for it. That lady was digging through the pile and she had those two ferocious dogs that were gonna make all kind of noise. So I decided to just come around to the next street and then I'll go back and I'll see what's left there. She was like dusting one of the cabinets that was on the street. I think she's gonna take it. I don't know. We'll find it when we get back. We're gonna slide up just a moment here, see what those two things are. I think that might be a pop-up or some chairs or a wagon, stroller maybe. I don't know. It's got some metals to it, though, I can tell you that. Come on, big dog. She's like, no, I want this stuff. Get off my stuff. That was a George Foreman lean mean grilling machine. Merry Christmas. You get a... Is there something in that box? No, just very good packaging. What is that? Screws and such. What is in this box? I need to find out. Oh, this is one of those light kits for the house. And that's what you mount them with. So what they do to mount it themselves? Oh, these are the leftovers. Ooh, they do have the lights on their house. I see them. These were on sale on Amazon right before Christmas. They're still 200 bucks for the lights though. I know. How do I know? Because my wife was looking at them. She's gonna spend $200 on lights. That's crazy town. Oh, you stinkier. You little stinker. You get all the way down. Thank you. Anybody else? Plastic? I think there was a fan here. I don't know if I told you guys or not. We're fans of fans here now. We got some kid toys. Anything good? Ooh, we got a gator. Oh, he's broken. Nothing crazy good. Are you in there, Mr. Chessboard? Nope. All right. That's it. Onward. Looky. Got ourselves a hot water heater. She's pretty skinny. We'll take her. State select. Onward. Yep. Got a massive refrigerator. Come on, big boy. Oh, and even nice and clean too. That one might even work. And we have the trifecta. We've got our fan, we've got our hot water heater, and we've got ourselves a tree. No, Matt, not a tree. We've got ourselves our microwave oven. Yes, our 3 specialty items. Hey, microwave oven. Yeah, those people think I'm crazy. Don't worry about it though. Keep them away from me. Onward. Morning. Got another massive refrigerator. What we got over here beside the table? Some electronics of some sort, and that's lit up. It's still got power to it. Let's have a little battery in it. Oh, are you kidding me? Is that actually wire? It is! Cat 5 wire. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Look at that. Cow. We should count wire this month. Yes, we should totally count wire. Oh, look at this one here. We got some more cables in here. This is just like wire. We'll take those little guys. What do we got here? Oh, those are ceramic. I thought it was a stack of pots, but it's not. Can you believe that box is full of Cat 5 wire? You kidding me? It's amazing. Amazing. All right, you gross. Oh, you're clean too. Wow. Everybody throwing out these beautiful refrigerators today. You're gonna come off. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that? That never happens. Sweet. Let's roll. I guess it's specialty item day. Yes. Microwave on number 2. Oh no, it's wood. That last area I ran into, a lady came running out, flagging me down. I got out and she's like, oh, that microwave you picked up might just be a bad fuse. I don't know why people are so concerned about me picking up broken items. I don't know. It's crazy to me. But anywho, that microwave might just be a bad fuse, just so everybody knows. Onward. All right, guys, just for clarification, next month, if we counted chairs, would this be a chair or is that a seat? I don't know. Put your comments down below. Is that a chair or a seat? I need to know. Because I know you guys count toilets as seats, but not sure if that one would count as a seat or not. Or as a chair. I'm sorry. It's a seat. It's definitely a seat. But is this also a chair? Or a chair must have legs, right? Or does it? Is a stool a chair? Oh, I know we're going to get into this again. Yeah, I know. Leave me a comment. Is a chair a seat? Is a seat a chair? Whereas a seat, never a chair, but a chair can be a seat. These are the things I think about as I drive around, guys. Oh, all right. Onward. Nothing too exciting, but definitely some metals. Look at the decal he's got on his car. It looks like a polar bear. It's pretty cool. This was a desk, I think, that they popped the top off of. Come on, get past that. Okay, you don't want to do that one. You won't do that one then. We'll come on up here then. Like such. Got ourselves another fan and maybe a sewing machine. Maybe. Let's take a gander. No! Just the case. Onward. Got a printer and a chair. Trying to get out of the way because people are like crazy about space they need. That's like big enough for a 747. They're like, I can't fit through there. I just can't. Let's roll. It's not gonna be long before this is gonna be February Christmas. Oh, that's the inside of a cabinet. You can live right here. You can live right there. Looks like a good spot for you. Looks like an old school 10-speed. We got here. Ooh, it's a Trek. This is definitely going to be aluminum. Look at this thing. Light as a feather. This thing works. This little computer thing, what is that? Aluminum, right? Yeah. Trek 2000 Alpha Series. Look it up. The derailleur looks nice. Actually, it all looks nice. It's just old. Trek 2000. Onward. Had to take a closer look at this car. Oh, he's not in very good shape. It's electric though. And got a battery in him. That's pretty cool though. I love that. 57 Chevy. I always wanted one of those as a kid. Or as a young adult, I guess. Morning. Where are your screws at? Here. Hopefully this is lead acid. We didn't get all the way out. We gotta get out of the way. Come on, man. We're in the way. There we go. All right. Battery in the car. Hopefully she's lead acid. What right past this, it was too small. I was distracted by the flowers by the pole. Not sure why those flowers are there, but I think it's like a camcorder. And a Nick charger. This is vintage cam right here, a view cam. And we'll put this up front. This might be of value for parts. Sheep. Let's look it up. Look it up, and we'll put it right here. Then you guys decide whether we keep it or not. Onward. Alrighty guys, we've made it to the yard. Not a bad day, not a great day. Just a day. I looked at that bike. That bike is old. People are like, is it a good, it sold for a couple $100 in 2017. That was 7 years ago. So that means it's even older than that now. I don't think I'm gonna keep it, but I might harvest parts off of it. I haven't decided yet. We've got till we get over to Jeffy's that we gotta make a decision. These are pretty small compressors on these, but people don't come in here, I might chase them. Depends on if it gets busy in here or not. We'll set you aside for now. See if there's any extra lights in here. I did grab a steel door because it had a bunch of brass on it. I want to try to get that off before I leave too. Don't think there's any lights in here. Feels very just tree-ish. Come on. Oh, an extension cord. What else do we got in here? Ooh, we got a fancy tree bottom. Actually still go together? No, it's missing the little stems. No trees, or no trees! No extra lights. Whew. This, I think, is the top to a convertible. Was. They've been just making cubes and getting rid of them so quick. They've been moving some metals very quickly in here the last couple of weeks. Okay, we have any brasses here? That's plastic. What do you got up top? We got one there. Ooh! The modern pipe wrench in action. Oh yeah. Okie dokie, schmokies. Gotta get rest of the rest off of that. I tried to get that on the street real quick. Didn't work, so I just took the whole sink because it's steel. I'm just trying to get the brass actually. No plug. Transformer from that guy. way, Mr. Bike. So light, man. So light. We're short on non-ferrous today, that's for sure. Don't have that much non-ferrous. That's an amazing chunk of wire right there, man. You don't find that very, or I don't find it very often. Some people might, I don't. Come on, come out of that. Come out of that frame. Busting right apart. All right, we're gonna do a couple breakdowns on these guys as long as people don't show up. We'll catch you over at Jeffrey's. Let's do some NFC. Busy, busy, busy in here today. What's this?
I'm saving it.
Why is it on the bin then?
Because I didn't want to throw it away.
Well, then put it over there before it gets tossed. Who brought shavings in?
A guy.
A guy?
A guy.
A guy?
Yeah.
You didn't get this figured out on Friday?
No, I gave up.
You gave up?
I should just scrap it. I should just scrap it, you know?
I have two of the hugest sealed units ever. I'm gonna take them both at the same time.
I'm gonna say probably 12 pounds.
Total?
Yeah.
Ah, you're gonna be light. 16. Ooh. Don't be messing up my scale, boy. Don't leave those up against my scale. Yeah. Gonna cost me money. Oh. Jeffy, you keeping this tea too? You keeping this tea?
Yeah, I'm saving that.
All right, take it off of there before I drop it in the bin.
I needed this kid.
What about this tea here? We'll put them both over there before they fall in the bin. Oh! Merry Christmas. A big old battery for you.
Got a lot to do.
Got lots to do. This is extruded? Sure. It is not yours. It is gonna be yours. Clean or dirty? I think so. On to dirty. I just made it. Just made it. Ready on dirty? I missed one. That dirty? Dirty. Dirty. That's brasses, right?
It might be brass.
Come on, it's definitely brass. It's pretty light.
It might be half brass.
No? Aluminum?
Negative.
Boo.
See, you can look inside the holes.
I don't want to look inside those holes. I got better holes to look inside of.
You like looking inside holes.
I'm going to turn this wire in just because I found it all in one spot today. Oh, hang on. I got one more dirty. You ready on the wire?
Yeah. Got it? You do it?
Ooh. Whoop. How many pounds is that wire? 18 pounds of wire.
15, yeah. It wasn't 15.
Take it.
106. Say 16 pounds.
What did the science teacher climb?
The periodic table.
That's a good answer. A chemistry.
Why do vampires keep making the same mistakes?
I don't know.
Because they lack reflection.
Lack reflection. What do cats do in their spare time?
Cats do in their spare time. Meow.
Close. They listen to meowsic.
Yeah, it's close.
I couldn't. Why couldn't the broken watch sleep?
It was losing precious seconds.
No, he didn't have the time.
Didn't have time. Why did the skeleton drink 8 glasses of milk?
You've done this one because he wants to keep his bones strong.
No, because milk is good for the bones.
Oh, milk is good for the bones.
That's stupid.
Most of them are stupid, Jeff.
These are so bad. These are so bad.
Most of them are so. We're getting down to the really bad ones. We're getting to the ones we have all skipped, Jeff.
What? This is the worst joke ever. What is a duck on the 4th of July?
A duck on the 4th of July. A firecracker.
Correct.
Alrighty, guys, we are weighed and paid. It is a busy yard right here before lunch. They've got these 2 big jetways from the airport being delivered, and it's a mess whenever these come in. I would not want to be dropping off after lunch because I'll bet they're still monkeying around. Like, look at the size of these things. This is one of the jetways. They got two of them. There's one up there, one down there, and they've got to make this turn, which is, whoo, better you than me, bro. Anywho, let's dive into our seat. Today was decent. Not crazy amazing, not horrible. It was just kind of par. So tin, 880 pounds, a little shy of our 1,000 pounds. I thought we were gonna be a little bit more than that, but we'll take her. 6160 sealed units. We did take them off the fridges. They were only 8 pounds a piece, 16 pounds, 22 cents a pound for 352. Electric motors came out of the microwaves. 17 pounds, 25 cents a pound for 225. Extrusion was the round part of the table. 2 pounds, 67 cents a pound for 134. Clean aluminum was the bottom of the table. 8 pounds, 45 cents a pound for 360. Irony light was our dirty aluminum, 12 pounds, 33 cents a pound for 396. We had that quarter battery out of the 57 Chevy for $1.25. We did turn in all that cat wire that came out of the box. I felt like I needed to turn that in today. Number one, to get some nice monies, but number two is because it was such a massive amount of wire at a single spot. So that wire was 18 pounds, $1.40 a pound for $25.20 right there at that one spot, plus a couple other knickknacks. And then we had the one faucet, unclean brass, 2 pounds, $1.10 a pound for $2.20 for a grand total of $106.92. I think it's 106. Yeah, 106.92. So we'll do a tenner for today. I think we have a tenner. Oh, we don't have a tenner. I thought I saw her put a 10 in there. It was the 5 she put in there. Well, I guess we're doing 6 then. We're gonna have to cheat because I'm not putting in a 20. No way, no how. I need some lunch money. So we'll put a 5 and a 1 in for today. We'll have to maybe do some overage next time around. So we'll put our $6 in the box. We gotta get out of the way before they start moving these trucks and we can't get out. We got a 5 right here. And we'll do this one right here. For our $6. Close her up. We're getting there, slowly but surely. So thanks for stopping by today. Please make sure to smash that thumbs up if you forgot to do it during the video. I would appreciate it. It's Nacho Stuff, but that means you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll catch you guys then.